Hey guys, it's Monday, so happy Monday to you. I pulled up at the hairdresser, so we're gonna get her hair done because remember I told y'all we're heading out of town for the weekend, but for a day or 2 days, we don't know yet. But I am ready to go get my hair done. I'm using like a, I don't know, when you guys see the hairstyle you will see. But anyways, let's go because I'm running late already for the appointment. Hi, may I have number 3, please?
Number what?
Number 3.
3?
Yeah. Coke.
That's it?
Yes, that's it.
No, 3 is it?
Alright, thanks. So guys, my hair is done. And I'm not loving it. And it's my fault. So I just wanted a hairstyle for probably like a week or 2. So I bought this mixed fiber body wave hair, and it's just like a worse decision. I did not want any straight hair. Normally I wear straight hair because straight hair is life. Okay, but I wanted curly, and I just saw this here and I was like, you know, let me just buy it. But I don't even have the paper anymore to show you. But I paid what, $7,500 for it. Worse here, it just giving fake, it giving plastic, and I don't like it. So I'm probably gonna take it out next week after I come back from country, because it's just not giving. It's not giving. Also today is, hold on, the car moving. Hold on. Also today is Popeye's 50% off, and I totally forgot it was today. One of my friends reminded me like after 11, which was way too late, and I had my hair appointment like right at 12, so I didn't have enough time to stop at Popeye's. First of all, Popeye's is number 1 for me. That's just me. Popeye's, and then KFC after that. If I feel for KFC, I'm definitely gonna have a barbecue zinger. I rarely buy KFC chicken because most of the times when I go, they do have barbecue. So anytime you see me at KFC, the most that I'm buying is barbecue zinger. I don't like the spicy zinger. I don't like straight barbecue zinger. That's my number 1. So yeah, so Popeyes, they're having the 50%. I'm super sad I'm not gonna get to sing there. So I'm in a Burger King line. Yeah, I went to the half a tree Popeyes location. I went to Waterloo location. The lines were crazy, and at this time after 4 o'clock, I just not join them line there. If I had remembered from early this morning, I would have gone at 10 a.m. when they open. But such is life. I always buy Popeyes every now and then. But I lied. Could I get a 5-piece combo for $1,000? Like unheard of. Unheard of. But yeah, I'm just gonna get my BK and we're gonna head home. So yeah, I was thinking to do my nails, but I did buy press-ons just in case. I don't know, I may do my nails, my toe. Well, I have press-ons, I may not do my nails, but my toes, I'm gonna get my toes done. If I decide to do that, I'll keep you guys updated and bring you along. But my eyebrows, I normally do my eyebrows myself, and my lashes, I'm gonna do my lashes myself because I have some DIY lash extensions. So that's as I'm not really doing any like maintenance for this holiday. Like it's nothing. But this here, like, oh, when I get home I'll pull it out and show you guys, but it's just not giving. This here is not giving at all. Tomorrow is Tuesday, so I'm gonna start packing for my trip tomorrow. I'm starting to pack tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna stay there till Monday because I booked the Airbnb months ago, and yeah, I have it from Saturday to Monday. So I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm gonna stay till Monday or just leave Sunday, but I'll figure it out in the week. But I'm still gonna pack because my mind may change, plans may change. So I'm still gonna pack for the 3 days trip, Saturday, Sunday, and come up Monday. So I'm still gonna pack for the 2 nights trip. Yeah. All right. I'm next in line. Ooh, food. Y'all, I've decided I'm gonna fix this hair. It is way too tall. Each time I like pull it out, I'm like, it's just not giving. It's not giving. And I'm not getting the curls that I want because it's just not human hair. You know what I'm saying? Very synthetic. Oh shoot, look what I did. Yeah, so we're gonna be cutting this. I did say I was gonna wait, but I get nailed to curling this, but you see, it's still just, I don't expect the curls to be bouncy and all of that, but I don't know. I just feel like I'm just gonna cut off all of this. Yeah, I think that's what I want to do. So let's try to figure out this hair. Today is Friday. Oops, sorry, today's Thursday. Girl, why am I rushing the week? It is oh my god, what did I do? What the hell? Yeah. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday, guys. Let's try to figure out this hair. One thing, this hair though, it doesn't like shed a lot. I don't think it sheds a lot. It definitely sheds, but not crazy like shed where it's messing up, you know, everywhere. So that's a good thing. I'm combing it now and of course hair is gonna come out, but it's not like crazy shedding, which isn't bad. But yeah, I don't know. Definitely do recommend this hair. My god, yeah. Let's stick to human hair. Alright guys, what do you think? I think I've added a little layer to it. Yeah. Chopped off the ends. I think I need to chop some more. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of these ends. Yeah, I think a little bit more layers and it should be good. Yeah, I think so. I think it looks a little better. Guys, I was just watching what I was doing because, you know, of course I always use the back of my camera and I was in wide length. That's not what I didn't want. Yo, my bathroom is hot. Okay, I think I'm liking it a little bit better because I can see, you know, the short layers of it, really. I think I'm gonna cut this a little bit more. But yeah, I think I'm liking it a little bit better. I still think it's a little bit too tall, but I'm just gonna leave it for the weekend and we'll figure it out next week. Let me see. Yeah, I'll figure it out next week, but yeah, I think it needs a little bit more layers on this side and then we're good to go. So I am actually just gonna change my top and I'm gonna rush to the supermarket. I only have like one small piece of fish left in the fridge, so I need to cook. I'm in the bathroom recording and well, I finished recording and then I was looking back and it says storage full. So I had to transfer some stuff from my phone to the SD card. And when I come back, I just transfer it to the laptop. So yeah, I was saying I'm just gonna run to the supermarket, grab callaloo. I need garbage bags, some outer garbage bag, toiletries. So I need to buy bath soap, tissue, chicken, callaloo, maybe broccoli. Yeah, I'm not really feeling for chicken, and I know I need to start eating like more fish and salmon and all that, but right now I don't have $4,000 for the salmon, so we're not buying no salmon today. Oh my god, I need gas. It's at 1. How? When last I buy gas? You know, I haven't bought gas in a while. Oh wow, okay, yeah, I'm due for gas. But when I go, I don't know, I'm just gonna go to the supermarket first and then probably go down the road and get gas, because I need gas. Because tomorrow I am going on the road tomorrow. It's after 2 o'clock, so I don't want to go to Half a Tree right now. I need to go to Brick Brand. I need to get some accessories like earring, well, mostly earring, just earring for this weekend. Yeah, let me turn on the AC, guys. I'm hot. But yeah, let's just run to the supermarket right now. Yeah. Alright guys, so we are home. I am home. And I have not had any lunch. I only had some oatmeal and cereal. So the girl had to buy a patty. So we're gonna have this. Well, I'm gonna pack out the stuff that I got from the supermarket. Have this for lunch, and then I'm gonna season the chicken. Then we're gonna cook it. I'm gonna just put it in the air fryer and jerk it that way. And I already have like cabbage. I didn't buy the broccoli again. I didn't bother buy the broccoli because I already have cabbage, and today I have cabbage for today and tomorrow. I did buy the green banana. Did I? Yeah. So I'm gonna do the green banana, so I'll have that for today and tomorrow, Friday, and then yeah, I don't need to prepare anything for over the weekend because I won't be here more than likely. So I just got a small juice, and I got 3 tissues, of course. I got me a bread. Something is biting me. I forgot I should not have bought any bread. Well, I can bring, oh, I'm gonna bring this down because, oh my god, I forgot to buy eggs because I'm gonna need to make eggs for breakfast for Sunday morning. I'm gonna buy eggs. So I'm gonna pack that to bring to Ochi, that bread. And I needed a small hand towel. I need hand towel for Ochi too. Like, oh my god. Anyways, I'm going back on the road tomorrow, so I'll get whatever. And I'm gonna pack 1 tissue for Ochi as well. And I just got the green banana and I got bath soap as well. Let me show you guys that. Bath soap and the cookie. So that's it. That's what I want. Happy Friday. Happy Friday, y'all. Happy Friday. So we are preparing for our out of town trip. I'm super excited. May I look on the sky because it's getting dark. The sun is out, as you can see, but the sky is darkening. It's getting dark, which is normal these past days. We're in the storm hurricane season in Jamaica, so the weather is doing what we know it's doing. What we don't want, but we want. We're humans. Sometimes we want rain and then we don't want rain. Hopefully no rain because I got plans this weekend. I hope you guys have plans. What are you guys doing? Well, this is for my local peeps who watch my videos. What did you guys do? Because you probably won't see this till after the weekend. So what did you guys do for your hero's weekend? Did you stay in, go out, watch a movie, go out on a date, go out on a solo date? Like, what did you do? Did you stay home? I'm heading out of town. I'm gonna run a few errands because I need to get I'm going to Brick Brand, one of the cheapest place you can get some nice, decent jewelry. It may not last you for a long period of time, but it's reasonable. $300, $400 earring and all of that. So I'm gonna go to Brick Brand. I need an earring. I need to stop at I need to get a bracelet for my foot, a Jamaican bracelet. This is like the fourth time I'm buying it in 2 months because it drop off and pop, and I don't know. I feel like I don't want to buy that from that man. So I'm going to look in Brick Brand to see if I can see like a bracelet and anklet and use that instead of the Rasta beads one, because that shit keeps dropping off on my foot for no reason. What else do we need to do? Stop at the supermarket. I need to buy shot glasses. Yes, I'm the person that gonna tell you, hey, we're taking a shot. So I'm gonna buy shots, cups. What else? That's it. Oh, we need gas. I'm gonna stop at a gas station down the road. Yeah, so let's come with me on a errand on this Friday. Y'all said it here, I kind of cut it more. You said, look, it's giving. Since that, listen, as the weekend done, I'm probably taking this shit out, and I think it's itching me. I didn't wash the hair before I put it in. I feel like it's a itch me too. Like it just, we'll sort of take it out. In our last 2 weeks for surety. All right, let me go. We gotta go, guys.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
So guys, I got the stuff from Brick Brand. I got earring, the stuff, pack of earrings, and then anklet. It's about to rain. It's actually drizzling right now, so I'm just gonna run into the supermarket. I won't take you guys. So let's need to get a shot glass, garbage bag, probably get some eggs, and yeah, let's go. The rain. So we're back home. There's one thing I forgot to buy, and I forgot to buy nipple covers. I can't believe I forgot to buy it, because the swimsuit that I'm wearing tomorrow morning, it doesn't have any like padding in it, so my entire breast area is gonna show. So I'm gonna have to figure out something. I'm probably just gonna use regular tape tomorrow, because I'm not going on the road to go do that, to get that, because the traffic is disgusting. By the way, the rain did not fall again. Like the cloud, it's like not dark anymore. Like I thought that thing was gonna burst. Did you guys see that? Because I know a video a little bit of the sky was super dark outside. It's no longer dark, so that's just a good thing. My cousin invited me out tonight to a pool party. I may go, I am not sure as yet, but we're leaving Kingston tomorrow probably around 8 a.m. So I don't know if I want to go out, to be honest. Like, I don't want to be tired. I want to wake up with a beautiful face, a relaxed face. Yeah, because the girl not wearing makeup tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm sure the sun is going to be crazy tomorrow. Anyways, I want to show you guys what I bought at Brick Brand. Just got this pack of earrings, and I got the and I got the anklet for my foot. So I'm gonna try it on this right now to see how I like it. I better like it. And by the way, this is $300 Jamaican. $300 Jamaican, and I get 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs. No, actually 3 pairs of earrings. That's Brick Brand, so reasonable. You know they're not gonna last, but you can get a couple wear from these items, and they're pretty affordable. So let me try on this foot thing. If I am up to anything else, like I said, I may go to the event tonight with my cousin. I'm gonna see how it goes and how I feel, but I'm leaning more towards like a no, because the girl has to wake up early. But I'll keep you guys updated. I didn't bother do my nails. I had planned to do my nails from in the week, like around the same time I did my hair, but like I thought about it, I'm like, it makes no sense to do my toes, to be honest. I'm just gonna to do my nails first. I have press-ons, so I'm just gonna put on press-ons. I'm gonna put it on from tonight. So tomorrow morning, the only thing I need to do is my lashes, and that's it. We're not gonna wear any makeup, sunscreen, lashes, sunglass. That is the vibe for tomorrow. So if I don't do anything else, like I said, y'all, I will catch you later. By the way, I stopped at Popeyes, and Popeyes line was so long. Like, Popeyes line was long, KFC line was long. Like, I'm not doing this on a Friday. So I'm gonna be hungry later, so I'm just gonna buy like jerk chicken. Get some jerk chicken. And that is the plan for today. That's the dinner for tonight.